Piped natural gas produces less than 1/3 of the CO2 emissions of coal, and good system setups provide for up to 95% complete combustion, making it one of the cleanest burning fuels around. Like with any energy source though, it should be used with due respect and caution. Owning a gas appliance carries responsibilities on the part of the user, but historically, gas has had a better safety record when operated safely, if compared to other forms of energy. Maintain and keep your appliances in a good state of repair to ensure uninterrupted and continuous supply. Have a qualified gas practitioner service your appliance at least once per year. Piped natural gas has the benefit of no soot or ash after burning, lowering maintenance costs. Remember, gas is only flammable if it displaces the right amount of air and cannot burn without an ignition source. Piped natural gas gets its rotten egg smell from an added odorant called mercaptan, as a safety precaution. If you smell rotting eggs or hear the hissing sound of gas escaping, keep the area ventilated by opening your windows, go outside, do not smoke, or light any flames near the suspected leak, and contact your gas practitioner. If these built-in warning signs are overlooked and you experience the following symptoms: weakness, nausea, suffocation or headaches, you should seek medical attention. Visit our website and view the safety data sheet for more information regarding the composition of piped natural gas. We value you as our loyal customer and care for your safety and well-being.